Hello and welcome to Surfside Beach. We are south of the city of Myrtle Beach in the town of Surfside, checking out the status of their pier construction. As you may or may not know, the pier was damaged heavily during a recent hurricane, so the decision was made to take the pier down and rebuild it. Similar to the Spring-made pier reconstruction, it seems they're going concrete rather than wood piles for this pier. Let's get a view from the beach and see what's going on. Before we make our way over the dune to the beach, I just want to point out, in case you're not familiar with the area, that over yonder straight ahead is Main Street, Surfside. That away is north, that away is south. And the hotel that is adjacent to the new pier is the Surfside Beach Oceanfront Hotel. Got Bubba's restaurant right over there, and River City Cafe right there, that 3-story building. Okay, enough wayfinding. To the beach we go. As you can see, lots of people enjoying the beach today. As we pan over here, you can see a different angle of the pier's construction. Some temporary walls placed up there. Looks like they're creating some sort of embankment to assist in the construction. Looks like banana boats out in the water, way out there. So not a lot has actually gone into the water yet. Looks like they're still prepping, setting up. I imagine they're going to have a similar setup that Spring-made Pier had during their construction, where they built a temporary pier alongside, parallel to the new pier, and utilized it for bringing machinery, equipment, material back and forth. Well, we'll revisit in the near future and find out for ourselves. But until next time, everybody, take it easy.